Imagine walking into a room and being greeted by someone who looks human, but isn't. No wires showing, no metallic voice, just lifelike skin, blinking eyes, and realistic emotions. Japan is no longer building robots. They're building replicas of us. And now, Chinese and American engineers are watching closely and nervously. This is the new front line of the tech war. As AI rapidly evolves, three superpowers are in an arms race, not for weapons, but for intelligent, lifelike machines. Japan's approach: hyperrealism. Robots that don't just perform, they look, sound, and feel like real people. While China pushes boundaries in facial recognition, and the U.S. builds agile, militarized machines, Japan is crafting emotional companions, digital teachers, and even robot newscasters. In this video, we'll explore how Japan's eerie humanoid robots are now challenging the very philosophies of engineering in China and the U.S. Welcome to a future where the line between human and machine is vanishing. As users described in the video, the robot lost control during testing and attacked an engineer. It began to move erratically and even knocked down the computer that controlled it. The only way to stop the humanoid device was to cut the electricity. The company claims that the robot did not actually lose control. It was trying to maintain equilibrium in strange conditions. H1 can adapt to changes in its body position or the terrain it is walking on thanks to its stabilization mechanism. China's agricultural sector is entering a new era. Previously human-only fields are now being invaded by robots. Farms are becoming actual high-tech testing grounds these days. While ground robots with cameras and artificial intelligence can assess each fruit's ripeness and harvest it gently with a mechanical arm, autonomous drones can precisely apply fertilizer and analyze soil from the air. Four-legged robot dogs that can operate in any weather, never get weary, and deliver gathered leaves with amazing accuracy are becoming commonplace on tea plantations. Without causing any harm to the plants, mechanical strawberry pickers navigate between the rows and choose only the ripest fruit. In greenhouses, miniature artificial intelligence agronomists monitor climate, humidity, and plant growth in real time, making decisions faster than a human. China's goal is to make agriculture as efficient, autonomous, and sustainable as possible. This is especially relevant in the context of an aging world population and a shortage of labor. What not long ago seemed like science fiction has now become part of everyday life in the Chinese countryside. The Chinese female robot named Mornin recently appeared at an auto exhibition in Shanghai, creating a real sensation among the public and car enthusiasts. Developed by automotive giant Chery in collaboration with artificial intelligence company Imoga, this hyperrealistic humanoid became a key element of the Omoda brand's presentation, which is promoting its innovative crossovers. Mornin looks like a real woman. Her height is 160 centimeters, her weight is about 55 kilograms, and her body is covered with realistic silicone skin. She is equipped with 41 degrees of freedom of movement, which allows her to move naturally and express emotions through facial expressions. Inside is powerful artificial intelligence trained on language models by the Chinese developer DeepSeek, enabling Mornin to speak more than 10 languages, including Chinese, English, Spanish, and Malay. She not only greets customers, but also provides detailed information about the cars, guides visitors through the showroom, answers questions, demonstrates technologies, and even offers drinks. The Chinese company Magic Lab continues to improve its latest robotic humanoids. Recently, the robot was taught to run, and in the newest update, the main highlight became the new hands for their humanoid robots. The Magic Hand S01 has 11 degrees of freedom, can hold 5 kilograms with 2 fingers, and can easily lift 20 kilograms. The company's robots are capable of performing complex tasks that require high precision, such as roasting marshmallows, performing magic tricks, dancing, and folding clothes. In recent videos, the company demonstrated that the robots can become excellent workers on factory floors, performing the same actions as humans. This reflects their advanced motor skills and movement coordination. The company aims to integrate robots into everyday life, making it easier to carry out various tasks. This robot is specifically designed to operate in extreme and hazardous conditions, where it is too risky for humans to be present, such as during collapses, explosions, chemical leaks, and large-scale fires. Thanks to its four-legged design, the robot has high stability and can confidently move across stairs, slopes, rubble, debris, and sand, overcoming routes where traditional wheel or tracked robots are powerless. The robots are already undergoing field trials in Chinese fire departments and are being used in real training exercises at mock-ups of burning buildings and industrial sites. Moreover, Unitree has launched sales of these robots in China, both to government agencies. The Reflex humanoid is equipped with a universal manipulator arm featuring 5 independent fingers, allowing it to lift, hold, and accurately place objects of various shapes and weights. Using cameras and sensors, it recognizes objects, determines their position, and sorts them by type, whether boxes, packages, bottle, or small parts. It can also handle fragile or soft materials, adjusting its grip strength in real time. The robot navigates freely through space, avoids obstacles, and can move independently throughout a warehouse or retail area. The American company Dyna Robotics has developed a robot capable of replacing humans in many industries thanks to its high speed and precision. The robot, called Dyna 1, is an intelligent system with 2 manipulators designed to automate operations in warehouse logistics, manufacturing, and service sectors. Equipped with a sophisticated system of grippers and sensors, Dyna 1 can perform actions with precision comparable to human hands, such as neatly folding napkins, filling cups, sorting objects, and handling delicate packaging tasks. During one of the tests, the robot operated continuously for 24 hours and successfully folded more than 850 napkins, with an accuracy of 99.4% without requiring operator intervention. This demonstrates its suitability for round-the-clock use and for tasks that previously required human labor. Using a new control system, dubbed AMO, or Adaptive Motion Optimization, engineers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have trained the Chinese business Unitree humanoid robot G1 to execute intricate movements. G1 is able to perform realistic and steady motions in real time thanks to this system, which is an adaptive whole-body motion control technique designed for extremely nimble humanoids. Using the AMO control system, the Unitree G1 humanoid robot is demonstrated in the demonstration film, competently performing a range of domestic duties. As Japan's hyperrealistic robots continue to evolve, they raise critical questions, not just about innovation, but about identity, ethics, and what it truly means to be human. China races to integrate AI into society. The U.S. pushes the limits of robotics in defense and mobility. But Japan, it dares to ask, can a robot replace a human, or even become one? If you enjoyed this dive into the future of robotics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing tech content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is closer than it looks.